Welcome to my channel Learning at Home by Chandresh Sir. Standard 10 Subject Math. In this we learn about median and mode. In previous lecture we learned about mean. Median of group data. We use the formula M is equal to Lm plus n by 2 minus Cf upon Fm into H, where M is the median of group data. Lm is equal to lower boundary of median class. Fm is equal to frequency of median class. Cf is equal to cumulative frequency of previous of median class. Remember here cumulative frequency of previous of median class. H is equal to class interval. Let us learn with one example. Find median of the following data. Step 1. First of all, calculate cumulative frequency, and let us learn how to find the cumulative frequency. For class 0 to 10, frequency is equal to cumulative frequency is equal to 6 already given. For class 10 to 20, cumulative frequency is equal to 6 plus 10 is equal to 10. That is frequency of previous class plus frequency of this class is equal to 6 plus 10 is equal to 16 is the cumulative frequency for the class 10 to 20. For class 20 to 30, cumulative frequency is equal to sum of all previous frequency, that is 6 plus 10 plus 17 is equal to 16 plus 17 is equal to 33. Similarly, for class 30 to 40, cumulative frequency is equal to sum of all previous frequency, that is 33 plus 9 is equal to 42. Same way, frequency for the class 40 to 50 is equal to sum of previous class is equal to 49. N is equal to sum of all frequency, that is cumulative frequency of the last row, and in our case this is 49. Now our table looks like this. Marks obtained already given and is class. Number of students, that is frequency, and cumulative frequency that we have already calculated. Step 2. To find median class. For finding the median class, we have to calculate n by 2, that is 49 upon 2 is equal to 24.5, and approximately we take 25 as the integer value. For the class 1, that is 0 to 10, cumulative frequency is equal to 6, which is less than n by 2, that is 25. So 0 to 10 is not our median class. Similarly, for the class 10 to 20, cumulative frequency Cf is equal to 16, which is less than n by 2. So this is also not our median class. And for class 20 to 30, the frequency is 33, which is greater than n by 2. Therefore 20 to 30 is our median class. Remember, when the cumulative frequency is greater than n by 2, this is our median class. Our table look like this. Marks obtained, that is class, number of students, that is Fi, cumulative frequency, that is Cf, and we have calculated that 20 to 30 is our median class. Frequency of that class is equal to 17, and cumulative frequency of the previous class, that is 16. Let us calculate and put the value in the formula. Lower boundary of median class is equal to 20 to 30 and is 20, that is our Lm. Frequency of class 20 to 30 is 20, that is our FM. Cumulative frequency of previous class, that is 10 to 20, is 16 and is our CF. N is equal to class interval, in this case it is 10. Now we have all the values ready and put in the formula. M is equal to LM plus N by 2 minus CF upon FM into H. Therefore M is equal to LM is equal to 20, N is equal to 49, CF is equal to 16, FM is equal to 17 and H is equal to 10. Substitute all the values in the formulas. Now M is equal to 20 plus 24.5 minus 16 upon 17 into 10. Remember that first of all do 49 by 2. Therefore M is equal to 20 plus 24.5 minus 16, that is 8.5 upon 17 into 10. M is equal to 20 plus 85 upon 10. Remember carefully. M is equal to 20 plus 5. Therefore M is equal to 20.5 is our median. Mode of grouped data. Z is equal to LM plus FM minus FM minus 1 upon 2FM minus FM minus 1 minus FM plus 1 into H. Dear students, I have changed this notation little to understand. In given textbook, Z is equal to mode of group data, LM is equal to lower boundary of model class, FM is equal to F1 is equal to frequency of model class. In textbook it is taken F1, whereas I have taken FM to understand that it is the frequency of model class. Similarly, in textbook F0 is equal to frequency of previous of model class, whereas I have taken F into bracket M minus 1, that is previous model class. H is equal to class interval. Similarly, in textbook they have taken F2 as the frequency of next of model class, whereas I have taken FM plus 1 to understand that it is next to the model class. To find the mode of the following data: marks obtained, number of students. In this we don't have to calculate any value, simply from the table 6, 10, 17, 9 and 7. The maximum number of the frequency, that is 7, is our model frequency and model class is 20 to 30. Previous of the model class, that is F0, is equal to 10 and next to the model class is equal to F2 or FM plus 1 is equal to 9. Remember, no calculation, find out the maximum frequency and that is our model class. Mode of grouped data. First of all, formula: Z is equal to LM plus FM minus FM minus 1 upon 2FM minus 2FM minus 1 minus 2FM plus 1 into H. Z, LM is equal to lower boundary of model class, that is 20. FM is equal to frequency of the model class, that is 17. FM minus 1, that is frequency of previous of model class, that is 10 upon 2. FM is equal to 2 into 17. F minus 1, that is frequency of previous of the model class, that is 10, and FM plus 1, that is the frequency of the next to the model class, is 9, and H is equal to 10. Substituting all the values, we have 20 is equal to 7 upon 34 minus 10 into 10 is equal to 27 upon 15 into 10, that is 20 plus 70 upon 15. Z is equal to 20 plus 4.67. Remember that after decimal point, minimum 2 numbers should be there if it is infinitely many numbers. So our mod Z is equal to 24.67. Following data is 25. Find the missing number. Obtain marks, number of marks, one frequency is missing, and find out that. Here median is already given 25 and it lies in the class of 20 to 30, and therefore 20 to 30 is our median class. And cumulative frequency already we have discussed. Cumulative frequency of 0 to 10 is 6, 10 to 20 is 6 plus x, and 17 is our median class. Total number of the frequency is equal to 6 plus x plus 17 plus 9 plus 7, that is 39 plus x. And there is no requirement to find out the sum or cumulative frequency next to the median class, so I have not calculated here. Substituting the values in the formula. M is equal to Lm plus n by 2 minus Cf upon Fm into H. Median already given in the data 25 is equal to 20 plus n, we have calculated that 39 plus x by 2 minus Cf, that is 6 plus x. Fm is equal to frequency of the median class is 17 into h is equal to class interval equal to 10. First of all, remove 20 from the right side and put in left side, so it becomes minus. So 25 minus 20 and as it is. So 25 minus 20 is equal to 5. Now remove 17 from the denominator, and when it comes to the left side, it into multiplication. So 5 into 7 upon 10 is equal to as it is. So 5 into 17 into 2 upon 10 is equal to 39 plus x minus 2 as the LCM into multiplication 2 into bracket 6 plus x. These are the steps of simplification. You can easily do this simplification. 17 is equal to 27 minus x, and x is equal to 27 minus 17. X is equal to 10 is our missing frequency. We can find like this. If median of 49 data is 25 and frequency table as under, find missing x and y. We know that if only one number is given, then median is not given. Here 2 number is missing, so median is already given, and table is like this. In the table, class 0 to 10 cumulative frequency 6, 10 to 20, 10 to 20, that is 6 plus x. Median is given 25, lies between 20 to 30. So our median class is 20 to 30, and need not more calculations of cumulative frequency after the median class. Here first the formula already know. M 25 given, and substitute all the values which we have calculated in the table. So 25 minus 20, 24.5 minus 6 plus x into bracket upon 17 into 10. Already steps we have previously did. Just simplification, just simplification, just simplification. X is equal to 18.5 minus 8.5. X is 10. Up to this totally process is previously we did. Now one more step required, and is to find the value of y. So first of all, x plus y is equal to 19. From n, put the value of x is equal to 10. We have 10 plus y is equal to 19 and y is equal to 9. So we can find x and y both in this method. Some miscellaneous example of mean, median and mode. Question 1. If median is equal to 4, mean is equal to 3, find mode. Remember the equation z is equal to 3m minus 2x. Substituting the value, z is equal to 3 into 4 minus 2 into 3. 3 4s are 12, 2 3s are 6, 12 minus 6, that is z is equal to 6. Very simple question asked in 1 marks. Question 2. If m plus x is equal to 7 and m minus x is equal to 1, then find mod z. Here m plus x is equal to 7, equation number 1. M minus x is equal to 1, equation number 2. Solving equation 1 and 2 using elimination method, we get m is equal to 4, x is equal to 3. Put in the equation z is equal to 3m minus 2x. Remember the formula, we get z is. Question 3. Fill in the blanks. Z minus x is equal to blank into bracket m minus x. Z is equal to 3m minus 2x bar. I want 3m minus 3x. So substitute x from both sides. Therefore z minus x is equal to 3m minus 2x minus x. We have z minus x is equal to 3m minus 3x. Taking 3 as the common, therefore z minus x is equal to 3 into bracket m minus x. So in the bracket 3 is the answer. Question 4. Fill in the blank. Z minus m is equal to into bracket m minus x. In previous example we have z minus x. In this example we have z minus m. So substituting m from the both side of the equation, z is equal to 3m minus 2x. Subtract m from both side of the equation, we have z minus m is equal to 3m minus 2x. Therefore z minus m is equal to 2m minus 2x. Taking 2 as the common, z minus m is equal to 2 into bracket m minus x. So